Hey guys, Brian Anderson here. I am so excited you're on this page right now because that means you are ready to change where you are today. I don't care how many tools you buy, how many pieces of software, I don't care any of that stuff. At the end of the day, if you don't have the right strategy, you're never going to go from here to there. The tool isn't going to do it. All of you who've been around a while already know that's true. So, what I'm going to show you today is my micro reach mastery system. And I took one of my most successful webinar products of all time, broke it into a low ticket and made it affordable for anybody. Set a $1,000 price point, you're going to be able to get on board for just pennies compared to that. This is what I have for you today. I've got an 8-module course. Everything. I break down the ecosystem. I break down why you're not winning right now. Because if you're winning, you wouldn't be here. I break down why you're not winning, how you can change that, how you can get in the inbox, right? Because as an affiliate marketer, as an agency, as an e-com marketer, you have to be able to reach your client. So what I'm going to show you is how to solve that problem. I'm going to show you how to solve it forever in a foolproof method that works. I don't care what email platform you use. I don't care if you use High Level. I don't care if you use a product you bought from another marketer. I don't care if you use Infusionsoft, Keep, iContact, Constant Contact, Aweber, doesn't matter. What I'm going to show you is agnostic to any tool or technology. This method has worked for me. I've been a super affiliate for 20 years, not just 1 year. Look at the gray hair. I've been doing this a long time. It works. I consistently get 40 to 80% open rates. My list isn't as big as some of the other marketers, but you know what? I'm always near the top of the leaderboard. Why? Because I can get in the inbox of all my prospects on the affiliate side. And when I'm doing agency work, I can always get to the business owner. So in this course, you're going to have everything you need. I even made notes so I didn't forget on this video because I don't make videos all the time, you guys. I've got a swipe library. I'm going to give you actual email contacts. So I built a database, my opportunity seeker database, and I'm going to give each of you access to that database, and you're going to be able to start with your own list. And then I'm going to show you how to win with that list, how to reach them, what to offer. I have everything broken down for you. I'm going to give you access to an exclusive offer that I'm doing in the health space. Nobody else has access to. You're only going to get it right here. So here's what I want you to do. Go ahead and read through the sales page. It's super inexpensive. I wanted to take price off the table. I think I've done that. I promise you, if for whatever reason you haven't hit the level of success you want, it's not a new tool. If it was as easy as buying the latest AI flavor of the day, you'd already be making money. You and I both know that hasn't worked yet. So follow my system. It's worked for me for 20 years plus, right? Since the late 1990s. So here's what I want you to do. Go through the page. Spend a few minutes on it. Take a chance on this because this works. I don't do that many launches. I don't do that many offers. I want to have you on board. I'm going to take a very small group. You're going to be part of our inner circle, our little private group of clients, and we're going to help and support you. So I look forward to seeing you on the other side. Please spend a few minutes. Thank whoever sent you the email inviting you here because they're at least bringing you high quality products, and I'm grateful for their support. So thank you guys, and I hope to see you on the other side. Bye-bye.